Good morning everyone. This is your PU teacher. Today's subject is EVS. Children, last week we have done with land animals. Today we will learn about birds. What are birds? Animals with feathers and wings are called birds. We see so many birds around us. Let us know the names of body parts of bird. Head, eye, beak. They eat with beak. Claws, they walk with them. Wing, which allow them to fly. Tail, and birds also have feathers on their body. Let's know the names of some birds around us. Say their names aloud. Birds that can fly are parrot, hummingbird, crow, duck, sparrow, kingfisher, pigeon, peacock, owl, hen, vulture, and eagle. Now we will see some birds which cannot fly even though they have wings. They are kiwi, emu, ostrich, and penguin. Children, learn and say the names aloud. Now, today's homework. Open book number 2, page number 51. Tick the birds that can fly and cross the birds that cannot fly. For this, see the video twice and complete the homework. Take care. Goodbye.